Hello friends, Meisho Recruitment 2024. You can apply for the different posts of the CSR in the Meisho company. So friends, kini gadi ka khubor like kam na kabanta ka company Meisho te phila ban apply ada ka ba phi online phi submit online ha ka post CSR jong kani ka company Meisho. In the evolving landscape of e-commerce, Meisho stands out as a trailblazer, as a leading platform. Meisho connects millions of entrepreneurs and customers, fostering a vibrant ecosystem. At the heart of this success lies a dedicated team of professionals who ensure seamless interaction with our valued users. So among these crucial rules is that of a customer service representative or CSR. So parlok baro pila banya don banta ha kani ka company Meisho da ka ba phi apply ya ka post jong ka customer service representative but pila ru banlong kinong di nong thiet na kani ka company ka ba he hapo kari India. De pinyo nongru da kaba pirung ha kani ka company but nagaling ka company la ong ba ka kwa ya ki candidates lani kinong yeshim banta ha kani ka company Meisho ba lani ki ta kinong di nong thet ki ba pana ka tin ka thlit but phi la ru ban panya yeu ye ki mar ki ba phi la ban thet lani di na kani ka company Meisho. These are the criteria for the customer in the Meisho company. So, yung page mata, ya kini ki points kiba nagaling jong ka company kakwa yang ki customer ngani yang kinong isim mata kumga customer interaction. You'll be the first point of contact of our users, whether it is answering queries, resolving issues, or providing assistance. Your communication skill will be shine. And number 2, exceptional service delivery, top-notch customer experiences in your mission. You'll handle inquiries promptly, ensuring satisfaction and trust. And number 3, we have problem solving. Challenges arise, but you are up for the task. You will troubleshoot issues, find solutions, and turn unhappy customers into delighted ones. So friends, number 1 kong ba nagabantay ki customer interaction pidi ban long ki papana haktin ka tlit but pidi ban nang ru kumno ban penya de ki customer lada ki wan ban phone lani ki kli phi shabang shapang kani ka company pidi ban nang kumno ban batai ya kani ka company lani ki tiar ki ba permi ba kani ka company baru pide ban shim ya ka jingkit kli lada ki customer jung phi ki pha ban pan po ye ki mar ki ba ki la online na kani ka company Meisho te phi ha ban pan po ha ki jaka ki ba ki don phi ha ban ki kli ya kani ru. And the next pade problem solving phi ban shim jingkit kli kumno ban jubab lada kini ki customer ki kli phi la ni ki shim jing ban online lane ban jet kita kitir na kani ka company te phi day way na kita kinong panshai hakabaya day but kani ka company ka company ye kini kitir lane ka yo online ka ba hedu hapo kadi India ka jongi. So friends, candidate can apply or take part in this company names called Meisho or the online shopping mall. And we have also the job profile which we call customer service representatives. Either you want to be a regular or full-time and part-time jobs, or it is available both for you. And we have the experiences for fresher and experience also are accepted, and training will be provided by the company. So friends, nagubanta kini ki nong wat kam hapo kani ka company Meisho phila ban join lene ban apply lengba kani ka website jong ka company phila ban shimenta da regular lani ka full time jobs lani phila ban trai part time ru lani nangta la khot application ru na gabenta ki badang thamai ki fresher lani ki ba don experience teng ru hakinu tunu ki company la ban join nangta ka training pade kan sa provide lani kan sa ai training lungba kan ka company la phila rung haka hadin bpi la apply but kani ka company ka GDP ka placement jobs lani jobs location as per the company requirement kat kum ka jingkwa jonga company phimla ban jit hi te phia ban pediang lada ka pha hakano kano ka jaka ka badon hapo kari India and phila ban apply yai kani ka post lungba ka company website kata ka meesho.com. And for the Meesho Customer Service Representative Eligibility Criteria 2024 for the educational qualification nagbanta ka kabdan pade to be eligible for the Meesho CSR position you need to meet the following educational requirement kata kade class 12 pass or equivalent, a high school diploma or equivalent qualification in the minimum educational criterion. The pila ban apply ya kibala pass class 12 sejrong nai kibala de degree ru kibala de master ru kala ban apply kala ban try full time mane part time jobs ha kaniga company. And for the bachelor degree, having a bachelor degree is preferred but not mandatory. So nakam taki bachelor degree ru loong ba kila ban apply ha kaniga company. Ka company Meesho ka kwa yengi banlong kum ki number 1 customer interaction and issue resolution for the engage with customer via phone, email or chat channels amba pinla banya penyadai ya ki customer jung phi lang ba ki phone calls lang ba ki email lane lang ba ki chat channel ki jung phi lane ban address inquiry concern and feedback promptly and professionally and proactively identify and resolve customer issues, aiming for swift and satisfactory resolution. And we have the provided accurate information, so assist customer with product-related queries or the status, account information, and generally inquiries. So ensure accurate and helpful response to enhance overall customer satisfaction. So ban penhun ya ki customer pihak ban penbit penbiang ya kijingkwa kijingdon kam jung ki customer da ka bai pihak ban late ban peni lani kendu da ka bai phira ya ki tier iba napo kani ka company knang ba ki customer ki jung phi kin hun lani kin sotna bantit ya ki tier kita napo company Meesho. For the data analysis, analyze customer support data to identify trends, issues, and opportunities for improvement. And position customer service representatives, department, customer service, job location India for the remote area, and for the salary Rs 40,000 per month. So friends, what num sungtu bakla ba nagleng jongga company Meesho kala island yaki konsumla ba na pintrei hakani company da ka ba phi room kum kita ki customer service representative da ka ba phi online ba ka website jongga company www.meesho.com but ka jingsiu ru ka shongot kum ka jingtrei stom go jong phi la da phila man panyai phai ki tier gitar ki ba phi e phi online ne phithil lungba ka ne ka company kata ka mot company ru kan siu ye phi ka jingsiu ko ba he bha bat hangni ka la shu antat ba ka jingsiu ka long lak nok no sau pa jar shi banai bat kandon ru ka jingkintiu ya ka jingsiu ya kinong trei ka baman la upnai te ngangai polok klasu thu ya kani ka job placement jong ka Meesho etang kenehi insekendu pat ha ka wei ka video